Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today we have a fun art project from Mrs. King, an art teacher from Colorado. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hi, my name is Mrs. King and I am an elementary art teacher in Colorado. In my classroom, my students and I love open-ended art activities that focus more on the process and less on the final product. So as you are following along today, I hope you have fun experimenting with art materials, discovering new techniques, and creating art that makes your heart happy. Thanks for watching. To create our chalk stencils, you need chalk, scissors, paper, a paper towel, and scrap paper. If needed, you can now pause the video to gather your materials and set up your workspace. For our chalk stencils, we first need to make a stencil. I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. The first way is to use a shape stencil. So I'm cutting out a medium-sized circle as my stencil. Then pick a color of chalk and you are going to color a thick, dark line all the way around your stencil. We want to make sure there's a little extra chalk dust so we have something to smear on the next step. Now, holding the stencil down, you're going to use your finger to smear that chalk on the paper. You can also do this step with a paper towel instead of your finger. Smear it really good. Try to spread that color all around. Then lift off your stencil. Pretty cool. If needed, you can wipe your finger on your paper towel and then do it again. Another kind of stencil we can use with chalk is a line stencil. Using a scrap piece of paper that is at least as wide as your drawing paper, you are going to use scissors to cut a long line that starts on one side of your paper and goes all the way to the other side. I am cutting a zigzag line. I am hoping it looks kind of like a mountain range later. After you cut your shape out, you're going to put it kind of near the top of your drawing paper, and using a piece of chalk, you are going to, just like we did before, draw a thick, dark line of chalk all the way around your stencil. Again, we want it to be dark because we need a little extra dust to have something to smear. Using a paper towel or your fingers, you are going to hold the stencil down and smear that chalk up into the background. Check that out. Then you can keep going. Turn your stencil around or keep it the same way, get a different color, and continue with that thick, dark line.